Hey there, my amazing friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your friend, Teacher Sam, and I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, we're diving into an inspiring story about a cleaner's small act of kindness that changed someone's life. But this isn't just any story. It's a powerful way to boost your English skills and learn faster. As we explore this story, you'll discover new words and phrases in context. Storytelling is one of the best ways to improve your English naturally, helping you remember words and use them with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll not only improve your listening and comprehension, but also learn 3 powerful moral lessons. So, stay with me until the end. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was a cold evening at Westwood High School. The hallways were empty, the classrooms silent, and the only sound was the gentle swishing of a broom against the tiled floor. Mr. Joe, the school's janitor, moved methodically, sweeping away the dust and remnants of the busy school day. It was a routine he had followed for years, but tonight, something caught his eye. A lone figure sat hunched over on a wooden bench near the lockers. It was Sam, a quiet and reserved student, staring down at a crumpled math test paper in his hands. His eyes were red, his shoulders slumped in defeat. Mr. Joe could tell that something was wrong. He set his broom aside and walked over. "Hey, son, are you okay?" His voice was gentle but firm. Sam sighed deeply, not bothering to look up. "I failed my math test again," he muttered. "No matter how hard I try, I just don't get it. Maybe I'm just not smart enough." Mr. Joe pulled up a chair and sat down beside him. "You know," he said, "I used to think the same thing about myself." Sam finally glanced up, his curiosity piqued. "You did?" The older man nodded. "I once had big dreams of becoming a teacher, but life had other plans. That doesn't mean I ever stopped learning." Sam's expression softened. He had never really spoken to Mr. Joe before, but there was something reassuring about the way he spoke. "Tell you what," Mr. Joe continued, pulling out a small notebook from his cart. "I may not be a math genius, but I know a trick or two. Let's take a look at that test together." Sam hesitated at first, but something in Mr. Joe's warm eyes made him nod. For the first time that day, he felt a tiny spark of hope. From that night on, a new routine began. After finishing his cleaning duties, Mr. Joe would sit with Sam in an empty classroom, going over math problems, breaking them down into simpler steps, and showing him different ways to solve them. At first, progress was slow. Sam would often sigh in frustration, feeling like he was hitting a wall. But Mr. Joe was patient. "You'll get there," he always said. "Just take it one step at a time." Little by little, Sam's confidence began to grow. His mistakes became fewer, his understanding sharper. And then, one day, something incredible happened. Sam passed his math test with flying colors. He ran through the hallways, barely able to contain his excitement. The first person he wanted to tell? Mr. Joe. That evening, when Mr. Joe arrived for his shift, Sam was already waiting for him. "Mr. Joe!" he exclaimed, waving the paper in the air. "I did it! I passed!" Mr. Joe grinned. "I knew you would, kid." That night, Sam went home with a new sense of determination. He realized that success wasn't about being naturally gifted. It was about effort, patience, and the belief that he could improve. Years later, Sam graduated high school and moved on to college. But he never forgot the late nights in the empty school, the sound of the brooms sweeping the floors, and the voice of a janitor who had believed in him when he couldn't believe in himself. Years later, the school organized a special event, an alumni gathering where successful former students would return to share their journeys. The gymnasium was packed with teachers, students, and parents. The principal stepped up to the microphone and announced the next speaker. "Please welcome one of our distinguished alumni, someone who has made a remarkable impact in the field of education, Mr. Samuel Carter. A young man in a crisp suit walked onto the stage, his confidence radiating. The students applauded, unaware of the story behind his success. Sam took a deep breath before speaking. "I stand here today as a teacher," he began. "But years ago I was just a struggling student, doubting my abilities and feeling like a failure. I want to share a story about the person who changed my life with a small act of kindness." He looked towards the back of the room, where an elderly man stood in the shadows, watching. "Mr. Joe, this is for you." The crowd turned to see the school janitor, his eyes wide with surprise. Then, as the applause grew louder, Mr. Joe wiped away a tear. He had never expected recognition, never sought it. But in that moment he realized something. Sometimes, the smallest acts of kindness leave the biggest impact. Now let's look at these 5 vocabulary words and how to use them in a sentence. 1. Resilient, meaning able to recover quickly from difficulties. How to use resilient in a sentence. Example: despite his struggles, Sam became resilient and refused to give up. Another example: the community showed resilience after the storm, rebuilding their homes with determination. 2. Encouragement, meaning support or confidence given to someone. How to use encouragement in a sentence. Example: Mr. Joe's words of encouragement helped Sam regain his confidence. Another example: a little encouragement can make a huge difference in someone's life. 3. Determined, meaning having a strong will to succeed. How to use determined in a sentence. Example: Sam was determined to improve his math skills no matter how hard it seemed. Another example: she was determined to finish the marathon despite feeling exhausted. 4. Transform, meaning to change something significantly. How to use transform in a sentence. Example: Mr. Joe's small act of kindness transformed Sam's future. Another example: exercise and a healthy diet can transform your life for the better. 5. Recognition, meaning acknowledgement or appreciation for something done. How to use recognition in a sentence. Example: Mr. Joe never expected recognition for his kindness. Another example: the artist received recognition for his outstanding work in the community. Moral lessons. 1. Small acts of kindness can change someone's life. 2. Believe in yourself even when things seem difficult. 3. True success is about persistence, learning, and never giving up. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment on the moral lesson you learned from this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.